Hi people, this is Nettie again. Look how beautiful. This is my plantain plant. The one that was saved by after Maria, and the other ones died, but this one I was able to save it by putting it here where I could take care of it myself. And look at this. Let me see if I could go down. Right there. It's having a baby. Look how beautiful. And I'm very happy. Let me see what's this. I'm very happy. I can't wait for it to give plantain. You must wonder why I keep cutting it. I'm cutting it because the heat is big, is heavy, and it has come up to over 100 degrees. So I'm trying to save her, and they say that you cut them, the nutrients will go to the top. That's where I need it, in the top, that's where the plantain is going to come out. Also, I wanted to show you something. As you can see, let me see. As you can see, I have lots of curry in this. Okay, but that's not it. My flowers, nah, it ain't that. I gotta show you something. Hold on. Okay, I think I got here, and look at this. Where is it? Oh, here goes one of them. That's garlic. And how you call it? I'm planting garlic. I'm gonna plant more garlic here. There's 1, 2. Here's one, but it does. Wait, let me see. Right here is another one, but it's good, but it hasn't thrown out the green thing. And they're growing there very good. There's another one, but I can't seem to remember where exactly I put it at. But it's somewhere around. So they're growing together with the corianders. I have it covered with this because of the chickens and stuff. So oh, here goes one. I knew there was another one somewhere. Here, right here. Here's the other one. And there's so many things in here. Okay, so there's supposed to be one. Okay, one, 2, 3. There's 3 of them. Yeah, that's what there is. It's this one, and this one. 3. I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna clean that back part right there. All this over here, I'm gonna clean it up maybe tomorrow if it doesn't rain. And I'm gonna put more onion garlics in there. See if they grow here. They're not growing inside, so they might as well grow out here. And I imagine that those little plants that is coming out, corianders. Or it could be this. It grows like crazy. I keep taking them out, throwing them out, and they keep showing up. So, saying this, God bless you all. And I can't wait till my plantains come out. Oh, let me show you one more thing. I got this jungle here. I got my compost down there. And look how beautiful. This plant, this pepper plant, I bought one very years ago, way long time ago. And I had planted it here. And they died. And for years it didn't come out. And now I got them back. Look how beautiful. So I'm also gonna cut this out a little bit. It's too overboard, as you can see. So probably tomorrow I'll cut this off too. I might put them in water and see if I could propagate them. Maybe I could give some out. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.